Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to remove drivers in Windows 10 quickly and safely, so you can keep your system clean and running smoothly. Step 1. Right-click on your Start menu and select Device Manager. Device Manager is a built-in Windows tool that lets you view and manage all the hardware and drivers installed on your computer. This is the first step because it gives you access to the drivers you want to remove. Step 2. In Device Manager, expand the category of the driver you want to remove. Expanding the category shows all the devices under it, making it easy to find the specific driver you want to uninstall. This ensures you remove the correct driver without affecting other hardware. Step 3. Right-click on the specific driver and click on Uninstall Device. This removes the driver from your system safely, and Windows will no longer use it until you reinstall it. Always make sure you select the correct driver to avoid system issues. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.